The first principle of making money is not working. As long as you are still relying on your own labor to earn a living, you are unlikely to make big money. Not working, just doing deals, is when you can truly start making money. For example, someone who grows cotton earns very little. And even those who know sewing do not make much. Those who make clothes may only earn hardship wages. But those who sell clothes are definitely the biggest earners in that chain. While creating a clothing brand or doing fashion design lets you sell value at a much higher price. If you only own the raw material, it is easy to make big money in that ecosystem. You can truly earn big money. Do not keep thinking your hard work is great, because that is just your own choice. If you painstakingly grow a few bolls of cotton, the final garment might earn you just a few dollars. But someone who builds a brand can sell a single design for hundreds or even thousands. Where does that gap come from? So you need to become a businessman. Not just a laborer who works with his hands, but someone who knows how to make deals. Do not be just a manual laborer who only exerts effort. If you want a good life and want to make big money, the first thing you must understand is, I cannot keep wasting my time on unnecessary work, especially tasks that consume time, without creating high value. Someone might ask, if I do not work, how do I make money? But that is exactly the point. Your time and experience are limited. There are only 24 hours in a day. You cannot work more hours than anyone else. That is your biological limit. And you are already trapped in the work for pay model. If you really want to make big money, stop chasing part-time or gig jobs, and instead look for things that generate transactions. Working a job and making money may look like the same thing, but they are actually two completely different horses. The core of a job is not to make money. It is to get other people to complete tasks. Your company is just the entity that settles after others finish the work. Whether you work a lot or little has no direct link to company profit. Even if you work overtime until midnight every day, it does not mean you deserve more. Your compensation is decided by someone else. Your boss tells you how much you will get. And that is what you can actually take home. From a money-making perspective, a regular job is never the best solution. Its cost-performance ratio is very low. Money comes from the profit generated when value is delivered. Once you understand that, you should go and do the delivery yourself. Because that is the closest path to money. Why cannot many people do this? Most likely because they lack this mindset. Essentially, every business exists to deliver something. Whether it's a corporation or an individual, we are constantly buying core and selling. What is the essence of business? It is buying and selling. Where does profit come from? From buying low and selling high. So it is not that skipping work is a huge loss. You are actually rejecting a low-efficiency way to earn money. You do not need to feel guilty for not having a job. What you should do is assess the value you can provide. Find where there is demand. And go create wealth. You can become a freelancer. That identity may not sound very warm. Not everyone will recognize it. And there is no guaranteed safety net. But think the other way around. Having a job really does feel like security. Yet many people will still be optimized out eventually, since the outcome may already be decided. Why cling to being a worker from the start? You need to realize, making big money has never come from grinding yourself to death. Working for others, relying solely on labor will never make you rich. You must completely shift this mindset. Just like you need a pool of quality customers, you do not have to personally hunt down every single lead. You can also partner with those who already have customer resources and still hit your target. Actively showcase your value. Let wealth have a reason to come toward you. Focus on doing what truly helps you grow. Then you will keep getting stronger. Keep going. To strangers, may you keep improving. Want to learn more? Like and follow. I will bring you along to get stronger.